Good morning, guys. It's 8:15 now on the 10th of July 2026. I've hardly had any sleep, about 5 hours of sleep. And I know why it happened. It happened because I had a late dinner. I had barbecued chicken wings at 10:30 because sorry. One, because I was hungry. Secondly, my protein quota for the day yesterday wasn't complete, and it happened because of the schedule. I had a 5 p.m. gym session, right? So that was upper body, followed by I just had some pumpkin seeds and it's stuck in my neck. Not neck, throat. So neck is the outer neck, the outer part, which is called neck, and the throat is inside. All right, so they're stuck in my throat. Damn it. So 5 to 6 I had a gym session, upper body session. 6 to 7 I did swimming, so back to back fitness sessions. And although I thought I'll eat dinner only at 9:30 at the show, but because of the gym session and swimming, I got really hungry. By the time I came back at 7 p.m., I was starving. Okay, and it had been about 5 hours since lunch. 5 hours since lunch plus gym and swimming made me really hungry. So I had a bachata session at 8 o'clock. So I knew I'd dance also for 1 hour, and I was starving. So I had some food. I had a paratha yesterday at about 7:30, and some lauki with it and some karela with it, which mummy had made, right? So I had one paratha, right? So I didn't have the whole dinner. I partially satiated myself. Then I went to the dance class, bachata 8 to 9, 8:20 and 9:20 I left there. I went to the crew and I had to start the show. I started the show at about 10 because the audience came late. And then 10:20 is when I had the dinner. 10:20 is when I had the barbecue chicken wings. So that was pretty late, and I slept about 12 something, which is less than 3 hours between the time I had dinner and between the time I slept, which is not sufficient. So because that, my sleep kind of cracked in the morning. So I know what happened wrong, right? But I couldn't help it because I was really starving after gym and swimming. So maybe what I should have done is I should have had the full dinner and not had a partial dinner. If I had the full dinner and decided not to have dinner later at the cafe, this would not happen. So yeah, that's a correction I need to make. But it's a difficult correction to make because the food that I have at the cafe is my usually the highest protein meal of the day. That's how I eat there because I eat at the cafe what I can't eat at home. So that's mostly my highest protein meal of the day. So chicken, barbecue chicken wings last night, highest protein meal of the day. So I need to figure out how to do this because I don't know, right? I don't have an answer because today I have 3 hours of gym, 3 hours of workout. I have 5, I'm doing arms, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8 I'm swimming. That's 3 hours. That's insane. I'll carry some pumpkin seeds with me so that I eat during the sessions. I think that's what I'll do. And then when I come back at 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, then the shows tonight are at 9 and 11. I'll carry some pumpkin seeds so that's not starving, and then I can have dinner at the show, like between the shows sometime. I think that's what I'll do. Yeah, I think that's what I'll do. Good. It's 8:15 now, and I tried to sleep after my sleep cracked, but I couldn't sleep. So I've been up, I've been walking, whatever. Now I'm recording this video for the vlog, and now I'm heading for breakfast at McDonald's. That's my core protein breakfast. When like generally, so that's my core protein breakfast, right? They have what I eat is a McMuffin. What I eat is pretty standard now. I know what I eat where. So the breakfast would be a McMuffin sandwich, which is a wheat muffin, I guess. It's a very nice bun, and it has egg, it has chicken, black coffee, and I allow myself some hash brown. I know I shouldn't. It's a fried potato. But I allow myself that. That's an intelligent allowance. So yeah, I'm gonna have breakfast now. Alright, cool. We try to be happy. I did just shared an audio on my WhatsApp about why we are here. I'm gonna make a separate video about that because that's a separate shot. So because the way I'm looking at my vlog now is I'm gonna talk about my days on these landscape videos, but I'll also record a bunch of videos which are conceptual videos, like answering the question why are we here. It's going to be a separate shot. So that's how I'm gonna look at the day. You have a good day. It's a Friday, so if you have a job, I wish you a good day at work. Okay, and try to be happy. Try to be happy. Please try. I really care. Okay, please try to be.
You know, guys, I just want to take a moment to answer the age-old question: why are we here? Why the fuck are we here? You know, that's a question that humanity has been asking since humanity existed. Like, why are we here? Like, why are we here on this earth? Why are we born? What's the point of this life? And I want to answer the question. The answer to the question is that we are here to have fun. We are here to have fun. It's one life we get, and the purpose of the life that we get is to have fun, to enjoy ourselves, to do things that make us happy and make others happy in the process. So that is why we are here. We're here to be happy. We're here to have fun. We're here to enjoy ourselves. So if you're not enjoying yourself, if you're not having fun, you are in the wrong business, you are at the wrong place, and you are with the wrong people. You are here to have fun. Okay, so make sure you have it before you die. This is what is called as kullad chai, guys. Kullad is a vessel that's made of some sort of a sand, right? I don't know how to make it. It's pottery basically. They pot it, and it's made of soil or sand, whatever you call it. And that's something you find it across the country. It's just like if you have chai in a cooler, it tastes far better than when you have it in a glass. So this is something you find across the country, and it's called kullad chai. You know, this is also India. What the internet revolution has done is that it's made data cheaper, and everybody is on the phone all the time, no matter what economic class people belong to. All these guys sitting here are mostly blue collar workers, but they're all on their phones right now. And that's across the country. No matter what social or economic hierarchy people are, they're all on their phones. You know, one thing I really noticed across the society, in metro stations, on the roads, in the gym, that people are trying to compete with you. You know, don't fucking try to compete with me. And I tell you, nobody can compete with me. I won't fucking compete. I don't. If you're trying to go ahead of me on the road, I'll stop and I'll let you go. If you're trying to compete with me somewhere else, I'll stop and I'll let you go. I don't want to fucking compete with anyone. Don't fucking compete. I'm not trying to compete. But we all running our own fucking stories. It's meaningless to try and compete with anyone else. I mean, the problem with companies is they have scarce resources and whatever they can promote certain people can't promote. So they kind of create this relative performance gap. In life, there's nothing called relative performance. It's all a fucking unique life stories. There's no competition between two people. Guys, one of the things has happened since I started swimming this week, right? मुझे सुन नहीं रहा. बेसिकली मुझे ठीक से सुन ही नहीं रहा. मुझे अपनी आवाज़ ठीक से नहीं सुन रही वीडियोस में मैं रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ. एंड आई आस्क्ड पीपल हु नो स्विमिंग, दे लाइक दिस हैपेंस. इवन आई आस्क्ड ChatGPT व्हिच इज कॉल्ड रॉजर, एंड रॉजर टेल्स मी कि ऐसा होता है. आई मीन लाइक कान ऐसे करो ऐसे करो. तो मैं कर रहा हूँ कुछ ड्रामा, लेकिन मुझे ठीक से सुन नहीं रहा. तुम्हें आती स्विमिंग? लाइक has it happened with you that when you started swimming you couldn't hear properly? Like I can't hear, like I'm hosting the show and I did some crowd work. मुझे लोगों के responses सुनाई दे रहे. Damn it. So I think it'll go with time. That's what I've been told. Like, because I've started swimming, it happens at the beginning. In the beginning. So it happens at the beginning. So hopefully I'll be able to hear properly in a while. सुन नहीं रहा मुझे. Hey guys, the day review. I'm sitting pretty right now outside the cafe and the show is going on inside. I did 2 swimming sessions today. For 70 minutes I tried to float, and I did float for like about 5 seconds, 6 seconds without the float, right? So I think my technique improved a bit, but there's still a way to go. I think in the next couple of weeks or so I should be able to float. Besides that, one show I did, I hosted, which is actually going on right now. So that's on. I'm happy with that. The audience is a bit lame today. So I tartofied them a bit, which is something I do. And there's a girl, I told her Khundak is also infectious. So वो खुंद की होके नहीं बैठी, बड़ी मुश्किल से हंस के बैठी. So overall I think the day was 7 on 10. 7 to 7.5. The fact that I managed to float a bit contributed a lot to that. Besides, the sleep wasn't that great because I slept late. Last night I had a late dinner, which affected my sleep. So that affected my energy levels for the day. So that I need to fix. So I've had my dinner at a decent time today. I've started working the happiness coaching bit. So that I'll release hopefully within the next 1 week or so. Cool. So 7 to 7.5. I hope you're happy. You try to be happy with it.